Hey guys, come see how I made my beef lumpia, Philippine style egg rolls. Oh yeah, crispy, good, on a plate. We're gonna cut up those onions and we're gonna get that slaw on the stove with that meat and get it all sauteed, because you know I already browned my ground beef. I already ground it. And we got a little egg whites in the little bowl over there that we're gonna seal up those lumpia wrappers with. Oh yeah. All right, so I cut up that half of an onion and some green onions. And now I'm gonna add them to my cabbage slaw mix with some carrots. And I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic. Okay, I've added my tablespoon of garlic. Let it stir and get a little saute going. I'm not gonna add any seasonings to this because I'll be adding soy sauce. And I've already added a little bit of seasoning to my ground beef. But I will add some garlic powder and some onion powder. Now I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to this. Okay, so now that I have it to the consistency that I want, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my ground beef just to reheat it up because I've already scrambled my ground beef. And then I'm gonna let this mixture sit for about 30 minutes. And then I'll put them in the lumpia egg rolls. Add the rest. There we go. Smells really good. Just gonna add a little bit of more soy sauce to this. All right. So there you have it. This is going to be the mixture that's going to be going in on the lumpia egg rolls. We'll see you in just a second. And again, thank you so much for requesting this meal. It's going to be awesome because it's my first time trying it and making it myself. Oh yeah, where my oh yeah baby's at? Oh yeah. All right, you guys. So let's get started to wrapping up these lumpia rolls. Now we're gonna finish up and then wrap up these egg rolls with the lumpia wrappers, and we are going to fry them and ready to eat at the table. Oh yeah. All right, here we go.